Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Good morning, you guys. It is 7 o'clock. No, it might be like 6:30. And I'm getting ready for work. I'm just going to take you through kind of a day in the life of what I eat in a day. Okay, so this morning I'm making these Kodiak cakes. I really like these. I was scared to try them because they're supposed to be kind of like healthy. They're protein packed, 100% whole grain. My fridge is going off. But I'm going to make some of these, put some blueberries in them, and I think I'm going to top them with some strawberries. I'm going to try my best not to use any maple syrup, but we'll see how that goes.
So all I'm doing is just following the instructions on the back of the pancake box to mix my batter up. And then in this bowl, I'm just mixing some strawberries and blueberries together and putting a little bit of sugar on them and mixing them up. This is how my pancakes turned out. I did end up adding just a little bit of maple syrup to them, but not as much as I normally would. These turned out so good. I love this pancake mix and would recommend it to anybody that is wanting to try it.
So this is my lunch for today. I just made some stir-fried chicken with rice and yum yum sauce. And then I made some carrots, broccoli, water chestnuts for a side. And if you guys want to know how I make my chicken, I'll link the what's for dinner in my description box below, or I'll link it up here in like the top right corner so you guys can go check that out. Okay, so this is all I got at the grocery store today. We're gonna have lasagna for dinner, so I got a packet of ground turkey and ground beef. We've been like mixing it and we really like it that way. Got some pasta sauce, just the traditional, and then we got a tomato basil. Didn't know if we'd cook some noodles and have Alfredo sauce with it, so I just grabbed a can of that too. At our Kroger, they had these on sale, so I got the roasted garlic and herb, the Montreal steak, and then the Montreal chicken. Of course, got some lasagna noodles, a bunch of bananas. I've never tried these Better Oats brand of quick oats, but it's like steel cut oats. Got the cinnamon roll brand because I love cinnamon roll stuff. Then I got just the original so I could add my own flavoring to it. Sometimes I like to do brown sugar and cinnamon, like peanut butter, or I like to put cookie butter in my oatmeal. Also got a thing of these cheese and cracker from Baby Bell. These are really like easy and quick for lunches. And then I got this broccoli, sugar snap peas, and water chestnuts, like mix. It has carrots in it too, obviously. But they had those on sale. And then I got some of these roasted red potatoes with garlic butter sauce. I've never had these, but thought it might be like a quick side one day for dinner. So that's all I got at the grocery store.
So for dinner, we just had some lasagna, and I made it a little different this time, and it turned out so good. We all loved it. And then along with our lasagna, we just had some Alfredo. I just wanted to thank you guys again so much for watching my video. It means the world to me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much with my channel, and I would love for you guys to be a part of my YouTube family here. So if you don't want to miss out on future videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next one.